Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Anime Vanguard's macros. First, let's understand what a macro is. It's a sequence of commands executed automatically. To begin, ensure you have a reliable macro recording tool, perhaps built into your gaming keyboard or a dedicated software. This setup is crucial for capturing your desired actions accurately. We'll cover everything from initial planning to final optimization, making your gameplay smoother and more effective. Before you even touch your macro software, careful planning is key. Think about the specific actions you want your macro to perform, like a combo or a repetitive task. Write down the exact sequence of button presses and mouse clicks. Also, consider the timing between each action. Even a delay of 1/10 of a second can make a big difference in execution. This foresight saves significant time later. Now it's time to record. Activate your macro software and perform the planned actions precisely. After recording, review the sequence carefully. You can often edit individual key presses, mouse movements, and the delays between them. For tasks requiring repetition, set up loops. Remember to add sufficient delays, perhaps 200 milliseconds, between actions to ensure the game registers every command correctly. Once recorded, extensive testing is vital. Jump into Anime Vanguards and run your macro repeatedly under different conditions. Pay close attention to its performance. Are there any missed inputs or actions that don't trigger correctly? Adjust the timings, perhaps increasing a delay by 50 milliseconds, or reorder steps as needed. Continuous refinement ensures your macro performs flawlessly, giving you a significant advantage in your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.